Okay, so this video is going to be on multiplying numbers with decimals, right? And just like adding and subtracting with decimals, there's some rules we have to follow to make sure we get the right answer at the end. Here are those rules. And again, like they may seem scary, but they're really not. So let's just go over them really quickly. So the first step is to rewrite the problem without the decimals, okay? The second step is to multiply to find the product. Now, steps 3 and 4 might scare you a little bit, but that's okay. We're just gonna do some examples and you'll be pros by the end of the video. Step 3 is count how many places are after the decimal point in each factor and then add them together. Add those amounts together, okay? Step 4 is take the number from step 3 and move that many places to the left, starting from the right of the product, and just put a decimal point wherever you land, okay? So 3 and 4 might confuse you now, but I think even after example 1, you'll be totally fine with it. So let's do example 1, 3.6 times 0.40. So step 1 is to rewrite the problem without the decimals, right? So 36 times 40. You can include this 0 if you want, right? But I'll show you why we don't actually need to. So then we multiply this normally, right? 0 times 6, 0. 0 times 3, 0. Placeholder 0. 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 3, 12 plus 2 is 14. So if we did that last multiplication with that last 0 all the way to the left, we do this, right? We have two placeholder zeros, and 0 times 6, 0, 0 times 3, 0. So it doesn't even matter. The last row is all zeros anyway. So our final answer will be 1440. But that's not actually true yet, right? 1440 is 36 times 40, but what we originally had was 3.6 times 0.40. So step 3 says once we have the product, we count how many places are after each decimal point and then add that amount together. Add those amounts together. So 3.6 has one place after the decimal point, right? 1. And 0.40 has 2, right? 4 and then 0. It actually has 2. 1, 2. Right, and then we add those amounts together, okay? So we just do 1 plus 2 equals 3. 1 second, my baby brother is knocking at my door. So yeah, 1 plus 2 equals 3, right? Um, so then step 4 says take that amount and move that many places to the left, starting from the right of the product, okay? Still in green. So starting from the right, we're going to move 3 places to the left. So 1, 2, 3. And then we just put a decimal point wherever we land, right? So we say that 3.6 times 0.40 is equal to 1.440. We can actually rewrite this and take out that last 0, 1.44. Cool. Okay, so now I'm going to have you try one, so I'm going to pause the video right now. Okay, and we're back. We're going to do another example really quickly. So example 2 is 0.3 times 0.016. So we rewrite them vertically, right, without the decimals. 0.016 times 0.3. Right? So See how the original problem says 0.3 times 0.016? And I rewrote it with the 0.016 first, or the 0016 first, because we can multiply in any order, okay? Just like how we can add in any order. We say that multiplication is commutative. So let's multiply these normally. We have 3 times 6, which is 18. Carry the 1. 3 times 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4. And then you can see that those 3 times those two zeros is just going to give us two zeros again, so it doesn't really matter. Placeholder 0, and then we have 0 times 6, 0 times 1, 0 times 0, 0 times 0, which is just going to be 4 zeros, right? So let's add. We have 8, 4, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now let's look at our steps. And it says step 3, right? When we have the product, we count how many places there are after the decimal in each factor. So here, just one place again, and then, but here there's 1, 2, 3 places, right? 1, 2, 3. So then we add those numbers. 1 plus 3, that's 4. And then, from the right of the product, we go 4 spaces to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Put a decimal point there. And so now we say 0.3 times 0.016 is equal to 0.0048. Awesome, right? And now you all are going to try one.